Hello everyone. We are excited to present our project Biomitra at Smart India Hackathon 2025. Biomitra is a digital farm management portal designed to strengthen biosecurity measures in pig and poultry farms across India. Our goal is simple. It is to empower farmers with smart tools that make farming safer, more sustainable and future ready. On the dashboard, farmers can instantly see the total number of farms, the risk level, their compliance score, and even active alerts that need immediate attention. This ensures they are always updated about their farm's health. We also provide quick actions like stock monitor, risk assessment, and training models. Farmers can track inventory levels, elevate biosecurity measures, and learn best practices all in one place. The portal also integrates AI voice assistant with multi-language support, making it accessible even for small farmers in rural India.
It sends disease risk alerts in nearby villages and cities, shows the nearest veterinary stores, provides real time weather updates. Farmers also get stock alerts if inventory runs low or high, and they can reorder instantly. To support continuous learning, we have added training courses and a 24/7 chatbot assistant. And in the future, we are integrating virtual disease detection, where farmers can upload an image of a sick animal and receive instant veterinary guidance. What makes Biometry truly unique is its separate logins for farmers and administrators. This allows the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying to monitor, analyze, and ensure livestock safety across multiple farms. In short, Biomitra is not just a portal, it's a complete digital companion for farmers, bringing together biosecurity, technology, and accessibility to build a stronger farming ecosystem for India. Thank you.